Well, after the microfinance sector, is auto financing facing issues with respect to growth and pain in the books? Let's see. Now, auto finances have been outliers in Q2 FY25 amongst the NBFCs with respect to AUM growth. But the pain in their books is rising. In Q2 FY24, the disbursals growth was in the range of 17% to as high as 47% on a year-on-year basis. And in Q2 FY25, the disbursals growth rate is in the range of minus 1.2% to 15.5% on a year-on-year basis. In fact, Sundaram Finance saw decline in their disbursals growth both YOY and quarter-on-quarter as well. Now, AUM growth had been healthy in Q2 FY25, both YOY and quarter-on-quarter, but it was way lower than what they had seen in Q2 FY24, both YOY and quarter-on-quarter. So, for comparative purpose, Q2 FY24 had seen AUM growth range in the range of 19% to 46% YOY and about 5 to 9% on a sequential basis. But in Q2 FY25, the AUM growth rate has dipped down to 18.5% to 33% YOY and about 4 to 6% on a sequential basis. Most of this growth has come in from increase in loan tenures. Now, most of the lenders enjoyed quarter-on-quarter net interest margin improvement in Q2 FY24. Only M&M Finance saw decline in the net interest margin in Q2 FY24. But this trend has reversed in Q2 FY25 as most of the lenders have seen decline in the net interest margin on a sequential basis. Now, asset quality in Q2 FY24 had improved quarter-on-quarter for all the lenders. So, in Q2 FY25, ex-Shriram Finance, all these lenders have actually seen deterioration in their asset quality, which could be a signal of the times to come in the coming quarters. Now, NPA cycle in the lending sector starts with microfinance loans, then moves on to unsecured loans like credit cards, personal loan, etc. After that, it moves to car loans, auto loans, vehicle loans. Post that, it moves to the SME sector. After that, small and mid corporates, then large corporates, and worst case scenario, we have the home loans. Typically, home loans NPS does not happen very frequently, but this is the worst case scenario. Now, higher capitalization gives the ability to absorb any negative shocks coming in from deterioration in asset quality, if any. Most of the lenders that you see on your screen are strongly capitalized anywhere between 16% to 20%. Now, the regulatory requirement is about 15% and MMFSL is the closest one over here at 16.7%. Let's take a look at the valuation picture. These lenders are trading on a 1-year forward basis at a price to book value in the range of 1.5 times to as high as 5 times. Mahindra & Mahindra Finance is the only lender amongst the peers who is trading at valuations below its 10-year historical average on a 1-year forward basis. Now, Sundaram Finance is trading at higher valuation than its 10-year forward basis if you take a look at the historical average on a 1-year forward basis. So, comparatively, M&M Finance has the lowest valuation amongst peers, while Sundaram Finance has the highest valuation amongst the peers.